In this video, I'm going to show you how to host N8N completely for free on your own private server. Now, N8N is an automation platform. It allows you to connect apps. It's essentially the glue between apps. So you can send data back and forth. You can run AI automations. You can run any sort of automations, and it's a fantastic alternative to Make and Zapier. Now, the reason we're going to host it for free is because if we want to use the cloud version of N8N, on the Pro plan, if we want 50 active workflows, it's going to cost €144 a month. So if we multiply that by 12 and turn it into US or Aussie dollars, it's a lot of money. But with a self-hosted, we actually don't even have these limits. We can have unlimited, basically everything, besides a few enterprise features, which we probably won't even need. So let's get into it. The first thing you'll need to do is head to GitHub and create a GitHub account. Now, the reason you need to do this is because it unlocks a free trial, which gives you credits in the platform that we're going to be hosting N8N. So create a GitHub account. It's very simple. It's very straightforward. And once you've done that, you want to head to railway.app. Once you're on railway.app, you can click the login button. And here you can just click GitHub. What this is going to do is it's going to say, would you like to authorize Railway? You click yes. Now, you'll have to agree to a few different terms. It's basically saying, don't host anything illegal. Don't use it for crypto mining and stuff like that. And you just click, I will not deploy any of that. So once you've done that, what you want to do is click create a new project. What we want to do is click deploy from a template. And then we're going to be using the N8N with workers template. Now, if it's not showing up in this immediate list, you can just search for it. But we click this and you'll see there are 4 services that are going to be deployed. We click deploy and then we just wait a little bit for it to actually establish the server. Okay, now once it's done, you might see 1 or 2 things missing. There's supposed to be 4 services. So if we refresh the page, we should be able to see all 4 services here on the page. You can see this one was hiding behind. So we can just organize it, which is totally unnecessary, but I like to do it anyway. And now that it's deployed, we click on the primary N8N instance. You can see that it was deployed successfully here. Now this might take a while to actually update the DNS and point it to the right place. But at some point we'll be able to click this and it will open up a brand new instance of N8N. Now, what you need to do is enter in an email. So in this case, I can just put my email, put our first name and last name, but we need to remember to save this password somewhere very safe because at the moment, there's no easy way of recovering your password if you forget it. So create a password you'll remember. And then once that's set up, you now have a completely free instance of N8N installed on your server. You've got $5 free credits and you can then begin deploying your automations. And once the credits run out, it's a very affordable rate. So that's how you set up N8N on your own server. So I've taught over 1,300 people how to build apps and automations without code, but I've taken things to the next level with a new group called Low Code Masters. This is where you can leverage low code automations and AI to unlock life-changing wealth. We have a classroom full of amazing content, courses, tech support, automations, APIs, everything you need to level up as a low coder. So if you want to learn more, click the link in the description.